tendon. It's a combination of stretch and load, picking up their babies doing that all day. So I want to put that in a shorter position. So this is more of a biomechanical taping. So I've measured that for length. Yeah, so this is your new mums, or this might be your apprentice chef who's doing a lot of knife work. Get it to QUERVAIN'S TENOSYNOVITIS. We're cool with that? Around in the corners. And I want you probably in the shorter position there. So, an inch of no stretch. I'm applying maybe 50% of that stretch, and then a tab at the other end with no stretch. And then if I want it to look cool, or I've left him too hairy, so it's floating up a bit, so to stick it down. I might go around the wrist as well. So that's going to help you there. So this tape, it's a lighter taping, it's less restrictive. I can send you home in it, you can leave it on for a week. It's going to remind you to do your exercise, so I might want you to be doing an isometric hold. It's going to remind you to do your exercise. Good, easy.